Hello and welcome back to the Animated Alex YouTube channel, where I try my best to program in ZX Spectrum Basic using the Spectrum from Retro Games Limited. And if you recognize what's on the screen, you'll know what this is about. This is the platform game that we've been working on through the live streams. And it's returning this weekend coming. I shall put the correct dates in the video description underneath this video. And I've been doing some preparation work. And I just wanted to share that with you tonight, basically. Just to recap, this is what we've done already. So we've already got level 1 made, basically. We may want to make a few changes. I am thinking about maybe moving the lives underneath my character there. The lives and the coins, maybe put it up into the right hand corner. I think it may look better up there. Apart from that, I'm quite happy with the way this level has been created and how it looks. But I've done a little bit of preparation work and I wanted to share that with you now. So at the moment, if we look at this program, let me just get to the right area. You'll see at line 220 there, screen setup. So that's where we're starting to draw all of the information there for the platforms. And we've got the ladders there and we've got the coins there at 490. What I wanted to do was put all that information into a dim array. And I decided I would put it into a three-dimensional array. Okay, so what I have done is I've made a platform designer. Basically, away from that game program, which I've just shown you on the screen. And I've done a little mock-up program just so I can design the levels and then go back to the main game and add all the information in. And I've created it using a three-dimensional array. You could argue that I could have probably used a two-dimensional array, but what I was thinking at the time, let's just go to it. What I was thinking at the time was platform, ladders and coins. So that's why I thought, oh, I'll use a three-dimensional array. I probably didn't have to be fair. But anyway, I've done it and it's all in place and it seems to be working okay. So at line 110, I've just put in a little wren there that LV stands for the level. I've got 6 rows and 9 columns. And if you look at line 200, I've used A. We've got in the brackets there, I've got the LV, the 6 and the 9. And underneath that, there's the 4 next loops and the read statement there, which will take care on reading the data. At line 999, everything in the yellow is the design for level 1, which we've already done and you've seen on the screen. And we've got the ladders and the coins in there as well. At line 1025, I've actually made a level 2, which I'll show you now. But in the magenta, that is all the information for that. So let me run it. So as you recognize from what I've showed you at the beginning, and if you've been following, you'll recognize it. It's the first level. If I push 2, this is the idea I've got for the next level. And during the live stream, if it comes out in the comments that we decide we want to move a ladder or move a platform over or move the coins, then we can do, not a problem. But this is just something I've put in place in preparation for the weekend stream. So on this level, I'm thinking of putting a moving platform going left and right, perhaps at the bottom of the screen, maybe in the shape of a boat or something like that, considering we have decided that the theme is to do with pirates and ships and what have you. So I might have a little moving boat at the bottom of the screen there, and our character's got to jump on that boat to get to the other side, perhaps. So that's an idea I'm thinking of doing anyway. But like I said, this was just a little mock-up program, just so I could design the levels, and then all I've got to do then is just process all that information back into the main game. So line 10, that is basically where the plot and draw commands are, with all that information now from the three-dimensional array added into it, as you can see. And at line 55 onwards, that's where our coins are. Line 62 onwards, that's where the ladders are. And I've just put all the three-dimensional dim array information into that. Line 75, I've just created a little like menu, so you can push 1 or 2 to get you from level 1 to level 2. And obviously, if we decide that the program is running fine performance-wise, then we could look at maybe adding a level 3 or a level 4 or so forth. So I can just keep adding to this and keep designing the levels as I go, and then go back to the main game and just add the information in. So what I'm going to do in preparation now is I will basically put all of that three-dimensional array program into the main game so it's ready for the weekend. Because I kind of thought you're not going to want to watch me typing all of that out. That's hence why I decided to do this little video up front in preparation for it. So yeah, there you go. Level 1. And level 2. So anyway, thank you for watching, and hopefully I shall see you all at the weekend. I shall put up on social media when it will be, what times it will be. It will definitely be on Saturday and Sunday evening anyway. So hope to see you there.